In a significant move to bolster its military capabilities, Canada has secured U.S. approval to purchase up to 60 JLTVs and 9 cargo trailers, marking a pivotal upgrade for its armed forces. This $160 million deal, greenlit by the U.S. State Department in August 2025, aims to replace the aging high-mobility, multi-purpose wheeled vehicle, commonly known as the Humvee, which has served the Canadian Armed Forces for decades, but now falls short in modern combat scenarios. The acquisition, part of the Next Generation Fighting Vehicles project, will enhance the Canadian Armed Forces' mobility, protection, and operational effectiveness, particularly for Special Operations Forces, while aligning with NATO standards and addressing evolving global threats. With a budget encompassing vehicles, communications systems, training and logistics support, this investment underscores Canada's commitment to modernizing its fleet amid rising geopolitical tensions. The Joint Light Tactical Vehicle, JLTV for short, developed by Oshkosh Defense, represents a leap forward in military vehicle technology, designed to replace the venerable Humvee while offering superior performance across multiple domains. At its core, the JLTV is a 4x4 wheeled vehicle, with a curb weight ranging from 7 to 7.5 tons, depending on the variant, and a payload capacity of up to 5,100 pounds for the utility model. Its dimensions typically measure about 6.2 meters in length, 2.5 meters in width, and 2.6 meters in height, making it compact yet spacious enough for crew and equipment. Powering this monster is a robust 6.6-liter Duramax diesel engine, producing around 300 horsepower, paired with an Allison 6-speed automatic transmission. This setup enables speeds exceeding 70 miles per hour on paved roads and impressive off-road capabilities, thanks to the TAK-4i Intelligent Independent Suspension System that provides up to 20 inches of wheel travel. The vehicle can ford water up to 60 inches deep, climb 60% grades, and traverse side slopes of 40%, ensuring it thrives in challenging environments like snow, mud, or rocky terrain. Protection is a hallmark of this monster, featuring a V-shaped hull for mine-resistant ambush-protected level defense against improvised explosive devices and small arms fire. The armor can be scaled with add-on kits, achieving protection equivalent to Stanig 4569 Level 3, which includes resistance to 7.62mm armor-piercing rounds and artillery fragments. Inside, the cabin is equipped with blast-attenuating seats, energy-absorbing materials, and advanced fire suppression systems to safeguard occupants. In terms of weaponry, the vehicle's modular design allows for a wide array of armaments tailored to mission needs. The close combat weapons carrier variant, for instance, supports heavy weapons like the M41A7 Sabre anti-tank missile system, tow missiles, or the M2.50 caliber machine gun on a remote weapon station. Other configurations can mount the M247.62mm machine gun, Mark 19 grenade launcher, or even anti-drone systems. Integration with C4ISR equipment further enhances its role in networked warfare, allowing real-time data sharing and sensor fusion for improved situational awareness. Overall, the JLTV specifications blend agility, durability, and firepower, making it a versatile platform for reconnaissance, patrol, and direct engagement scenarios. The integration of the JLTV into the Canadian Army's fleet marks a transformative upgrade, addressing long-standing gaps in light tactical mobility and protection. Currently, Canada's light vehicle inventory relies heavily on aging platforms like the Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon, light utility vehicle wheeled, and the light support vehicle wheeled, which, while reliable in their era, lack the advanced armor and off-road prowess needed for modern asymmetric threats. These older vehicles offer limited ballistic protection and payload, often struggling in extreme Canadian climates or during high-intensity operations. By contrast, the JLTV introduces mine-resistant ambush-protected level survivability without sacrificing speed or maneuverability, allowing Canadian troops to operate in contested areas with greater confidence. For Special Forces units, such as the Canadian Special Operations Regiment or Joint Task Force 2, The vehicle's modularity means it can be rapidly reconfigured for missions ranging from covert insertions to rapid response in urban warfare. This flexibility reduces logistical burdens, as fewer vehicle types are needed to cover diverse roles, streamlining maintenance and training. Furthermore, the JLTV's advanced electronics suite enables seamless integration with Canada's existing LAV family and future unmanned systems, fostering a more connected battlefield ecosystem. In Arctic sovereignty operations, where harsh weather and vast distances pose challenges, the JLTV's superior fuel efficiency and cold weather starting capabilities could extend operational ranges, enhancing patrol effectiveness in regions like the Northwest Territories. Overall, this acquisition positions the Canadian Army to transition from legacy systems to a more agile, protected, and technologically advanced fleet, potentially reducing casualties and increasing mission success rates in both domestic and international deployments. It's not just an addition, it's a paradigm shift toward expeditionary warfare readiness. Economically, the JLTV purchase offers Canada several advantages, albeit indirect, since the vehicles are U.S. manufactured by Oshkosh Defense and supplied via AM General. Potential benefits include opportunities for Canadian firms in maintenance, upgrades, and integration of domestic technologies, such as communication systems from companies like General Dynamics Canada. This could create jobs in defense sectors across provinces like Ontario and Quebec, where aerospace and vehicle manufacturing hubs exist. Moreover, the deal aligns with Canada's industrial and technological benefits policy, potentially offsetting costs through U.S. investments in Canadian industries. Geopolitically, acquiring JLTVs strengthens Canada's alliance with the United States under NORAD and NATO frameworks, enhancing joint operability and signaling commitment to collective defense. In an era of great power competition, this move bolsters Canada's role in Arctic security, deterring potential adversaries like Russia or China from challenging northern sovereignty. It also supports peacekeeping and coalition operations, where standardized equipment reduces friction in multinational forces. In conclusion, Canada's decision to procure the JLTV is a strategic masterstroke, modernizing its military while yielding economic spin-offs and reinforcing geopolitical ties. As threats evolve, this game-changing vehicle ensures the Canadian Armed Forces remain agile, protected, and ready to defend national interests on the global stage. With delivery expected soon, this monster vehicle heralds a new chapter in Canadian defense prowess.